Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you some incredible things that you can do in the Echo Show 5. I got our Echo Show 5 about a week ago. I got it, it only cost me $10, believe it or not. I bought some Blink outdoor security system cameras, and this was an add-on for only $10. And it's so worth it. It is like a smart TV, like the smartest smart TV you can imagine. Sure, it doesn't have that big of a screen, but man, its speakers pack a punch. And the video, believe it or not, is actually big enough to enjoy. The last couple weeks I've been using this. I've been putting it on my desk right by my computer. And I find it to be super convenient to listen to music, to watch the news, and to watch movies and TV shows while I'm working. Okay, so I'm going to show you a bunch of incredible things you can do with your Echo Show 5. Just so you know, when I say the word, I'm going to bleep out the word so it doesn't make your Amazon Alexa devices go crazy. The first skill I want to show you is Open Stream Player. So here on the Stream Player, there are over 200 channels you can pick from. And a lot of these, if not all of them, are live stream channels. You've got a lot of news channels. You've got ABC News, CBS News, Bloomberg, Fox News, PBS Kids, Comet TV, CNN, and there's dozens of local TV news stations and a bunch of other cool things on here. Play ABC News.
Pursue legal action if it were to come to that. The numbers show that they are.
One thing that's super convenient is that you can pause or play the video by just using voice commands or by tapping on the touch screen. Play rain sounds. Another cool thing that you can do is you can access your Google Calendar. All you have to do is log in once to your email account and then it can sync with your calendar. Show me my calendar. Look at that, Tuesday, November 10th. I can just scroll through day by day and see all the different events I have. Another cool thing you can do with your Echo Show is you can check your email. Show me my email.
Would you like to read or delete?
You can check your emails and it will show you any unread new emails that you have. One thing I'm super happy about with the Echo Show is that you can now watch YouTube videos. They don't have a dedicated YouTube app, but they do have a web browser. And so I can say, open YouTube. So here you can easily browse to anything that you'd want to watch on YouTube. You know, any live streams there or any other videos, you can just click here and watch them. A couple other neat things I have not done, but that you can do with your Echo Show is you can have it play a video slideshow. If you want to put on family pictures, you can have that be kind of the default background of your Echo Show. You can also create contacts and you can do audio calls over your Echo Show and video calls, obviously. Another cool thing you can do is get recipes. So you can say, how do I make empanadas?
Here's a few recipes.
Look at that. You can pick from all these different recipes here. Just click on one. It says it'll take about 2 hours to make 10 servings, 600 calories, give you the instructions, the list of ingredients, and you can do start recipe, save recipe. It's super easy to get recipes. Another thing you can do is you can watch Twitch if you're into watching people playing games. Open Twitch.
I found some popular channels on Twitch, including 1. iBuy.
One skill that is super handy to be aware of that you'll find yourself wanting to do regularly if you have one of these plugged in is how to turn off the screen. Screen off. And then it will be off until you either touch the screen or say, play my music. One thing I should mention is that these speakers get incredibly loud, much louder than you would ever really want to use them probably, unless you're trying to have a dance party at your house. Show me the weather forecast in Los Angeles.
Here is the weather in Los Angeles, California.
There's also dozens of games that you can play on the Alexa, probably hundreds. Play Jeopardy.
Let's get back to where you left off.
Today's second Jeopardy category is hymns. This precedes Lord God Almighty.
What is a cool hymn?
No, the correct response was what is holy, holy, Holy.
One thing I found myself doing is watching TV shows or movies on here. So I can just say, play The Swiss Family Robinson.
And just what's so funny?
We know Mama's not talking to you this morning.
So it's actually pretty cool. Amazon on Prime Video, they have a bunch of free videos and shows that you can watch on the IMDb TV channel, and you can watch all of those here for free. And they have ads, and the ads are super high quality. It feels like you're just watching off of a TV set, but you're only watching the exact shows and movies you want to watch. So to set up your Echo Show, the only thing you really need to do is plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and log into your Amazon account. Your device then gets registered and is ready to be used. You can also have your Echo Show tell you jokes. Tell me a joke.
Why did the astrologer cross the road? To get to the other sign.
Ah.
What do you call a pretty pig? Handsome.
Read me a free audiobook.
I must own I felt a little proud when my captain offered me the second dignity in the vessel and entreated me to remain with the greatest earnestness
I want to watch a free adventure movie.
Here's Left Behind.
I want to buy diapers.
Showing results for diapers. The first one is Love's disposable diapers.
So look at that. That makes it super easy to repurchase something. Set the timer for 60 seconds.
1 minute, starting now. By the way, time goes faster with music on. Would you like me to play music?
No thanks. Show me a fish tank. Show me deals on Amazon.
Here are your deals. The first one is NoCo Genius Boost HD.
Show me games.
Which would you like? Animal games, top games, TV and movie games, or party games?
Top games.
Here are a few popular ones. Here's one called Question of the Day. Want to give that one a try? Or you can ask for more options.
Anyway, I absolutely love this Echo Show 5. It has been a pleasure to use. The audio on it is great. The video quality is great. It doesn't generate hardly any heat. It works great for so many uses. If you have any video skills that you would recommend, feel free to comment below and let us know what those are. For me personally, I think this is a super good buy if you're looking for something that you can use to throw on a movie or throw on PBS Kids for your children, or to play music while you clean around the house, to help you get recipes, to order things, to look up your calendar, or even send emails. I also really like it to watch the news. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.